Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to integrate Jira with Jenkins. So let's get started. First, open your Jira and go to the left side. You will see several options. Click on apps and then choose explore more apps. Now at the top of your screen you will see search bar. So here you have to type Jenkins for Jira. Now select the official one and then you will see at the right side get it now option. Click on that and you just have to click on the review button at the bottom right side, and then here you have to build or complete your installation process. So it may take a moment for installing. And as you can see that our Jira Jenkins for Jira official is installed successfully, and you will see a message will pop up that your app has been added to your instance and is ready to use. As you can see, our Jenkins for Jira is added, and that's it for today. Working together to give you seamless visibility into your development pipeline. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.